Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Samsung S26. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and check the volume levels in the settings. We want to make sure that the media volume is set to the max. So we're going to go open settings, go to sound and vibration. We're going to go to volume. And here we want to make sure that media is turned all the way to the right side. Now, after that, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the speaker grill on the bottom is clean. So here we have it, as you guys can see. Now we want to make sure that it's clean. If it's not, then simply we will take all the dust. And we don't want it because it's very important to let audio through the speakers. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to go over and disable Bluetooth. We go to connections right up top here. And my Bluetooth is already disabled, but as you guys can see, once I turn this, let me quickly turn this off, it will look like this. We want to make sure to disable it because we want to make sure that audio is not rerouted from any other device. After that, what we're doing is we're going to go and press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Keep on holding them until we see the power menu, and tap on restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now it's restarting, and this way we refresh the system. So I'll see you guys once the restart is done. After the restart, what you guys can do is go over into the settings and then scroll all the way down to software update. Click check for updates and make sure that you're on the latest version. It's very important because you want to make sure that there's no old glitches laying around on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.